Good morning, friends, on this gray day. We are at Lathrop State Park in Colorado. It was sunny with nice mountain views here yesterday. If you saw the last video, you saw our campsite here. And boy, we woke up this morning.
Right, close to freezing and rain.
Yeah.
Like we didn't get snow.
No, but we're headed down the road today and see where we end up. We're kind of going towards Grand Junction. There's some BLM land we might check out along the way, a couple hours away. So yeah, come with us. Oh, those are fake. Are those fake?
No,
They're not?
no.
They look like statues. Oh my gosh. Oh, but they're in a fence. No, they haven't moved at all. I think they were fake.
Except the ones that were moving their heads.
I didn't see any movement. I'm gonna replay this video back. I think those were fake out.
Pretty good fake out.
Someone has a good sense of humor. Home sweet home. Oh, listen to that wind though.
It's warm though.
We parked into the wind, which is good. Where is this exactly?
Middle of nowhere. We're just been on back roads, so if you were to go straight as a crow flies, we're just south of Monarch Pass. It's kind of the window.
Yeah, that's a little much for you guys probably.
So we're probably, I don't know, not too far south of Monarch Pass on some back roads, and we're going to continue westbound on some back roads. In a couple hours we should be in Grand Junction tomorrow, unless we stay here
we stay another day
yeah.
here. Yeah.
But yeah, we're about, let's see, 8,232 feet elevation.
That should make for an interesting run.
Yep, I'm gonna go do it.
I'm curious to see what the night sky is gonna look like. I hope the clouds clear.
Hi, Pistol. Hi.
She's a good girl.
She's been sleeping.
Yeah, just ate lunch. All right, I'm gonna go chill. Dave's back. It was so windy while you were gone. Obviously, you know that.
Yeah, I got it to almost 9,000 feet.
Oh my gosh.
Good 5-miler.
Nice views, huh?
Spectacular. No one else up here.
Nice.
I ran about 2.5 miles out that way and about 1.5 miles out that way. Nobody. But it's stunning. Saw some snow.
You did?
Hi, Pistol. Okay.
Good morning. What a beautiful day. It is windy again. That seems to be our theme here. Last night or yesterday late afternoon after he got back from his run, I got kind of sick, like nauseous. I didn't like get sick, but I just had to lay down, and I think it was altitude. I'm over it now, but it felt like I was car sick is what it felt like. Yeah. Exactly like that.
Well, you've been at sea level a long time, and to hop up to 8,500 feet. It's a big jump.
Yeah, better now. We've been keeping a close eye on Pistol too, because I know dogs can get altitude sickness, but she's been her normal self, so it's all good. We're heading out of here today, and we were going towards Grand Junction. Now we still are, but the route we were taking, I'm glad I double checked, because there is a big construction project through a canyon there, and there's a reroute around that adds quite a bit of time.
Oh my gosh, we would have probably wasted 6 hours of the day driving someplace we shouldn't have gone.
Yeah. It looked pretty crazy. So we are heading towards Grand Junction, but we're going north and then west.
Kind of by Leadville.
Yeah, we'll be passing by Leadville.
It's going to be some big mountains today.
And possible snow overnight. I don't know where we're going to end up tonight, but so yeah, we're just freewheeling right now. We're just going to drive and see what happens, but yay.
Boy, we got so lucky.
Do you want to run in Leadville? It's like 32 there right now.
Not today.
Okay. All right, let's boogie. Stop for gas in Leadville, and tiniest snowflakes coming down. You can't even really see them, but I got excited. It was definitely snowing over on those mountains.
Leadville, Colorado, home of the Leadville 100 for my running friends. We're at 10,000 feet in town, and Leadville 100.
In half a mile, turn right onto East 9th Street.
They have a 100-mile ultra marathon here and a mountain bike race that were made famous a number of years ago, probably, I don't know when the book was written, probably 15 years ago, called Born to Run, my favorite book. Very inspiring, but always wanted to come to Leadville and run the latest part of the race section.
Here we are. Oh, there was a Silver Dollar Saloon. We've seen a few of those. This downtown's really cute. I love all the old buildings. Oh, look at this dapper looking couple. It is cold enough for fur coats today. I will say it's cold up here.
I like this guy's style.
I do too. I've had a purple fur coat and a hot pink fur coat back in the day, and a black fake fur. There's some snow. The roads are nice and clear though. This is nice. And not a lot of wind.
So done with the wind. Done with it. You hear me? I'm over it.
She's done with it too. She hates walking in the wind.
It's either blowing under her face or blowing up her skirt.
Yep.
She don't like either one.
No, she doesn't.
But who does, really?
She's meditating right now. That was a fantastic drive through the mountains.
Fantastic.
Then as soon as we hit the freeway, we saw the elk. I think, was that off the freeway? So many elk there. And then the bighorn sheep. Is that what those were?
Yep.
Oh my gosh. I paused the video. I counted 17 in that frame.
And I saw 5 or 6 a few miles before that you didn't see.
Mm-hmm. So then I had my camera ready. It was ready to go.
Those are close to the highway.
They were very close. That was just a beautiful drive. It kind of turned into a long day because we ended up at about an hour east of Grand Junction at a rest stop there. And it was actually a really nice rest stop off the freeway quite a ways, so there were no semis there. And
was that rest stop we stayed at the separate RV spot? Was that Colorado too?
No.
Oh, because both rest stops that we pulled into in Colorado have been kind of unique, like way off the freeway.
Off the beaten path, yeah.
It was so far off the freeway, I had to wind around through a not a residential, but a business area.
Mm-hmm.
We saw 2 semi trucks use the rest area the whole night. It was super quiet.
So quiet. And they had a whole nature walk area there, which was really nice for her to walk about on. Anyway, then we got up this morning, we got into Grand Junction, did some grocery shopping, restocked on everything, got gas. And now we're basically heading west out of Colorado. We'll be into Utah today, but we stopped at a trailhead. Dave's gonna get a run in on this nice paved trail. It just goes forever and ever, it seems.
I won't.
You won't go forever and ever.
It might seem like it.
Yeah. And I'll get a quick workout here, and then we'll mosey on down the road. I'm not sure where we're gonna end up. There's the spots that we used to stay at out here, like the dispersed camping and stuff. It looks like a lot of that is now pay through recreation.gov, and one of the sites I see is like $28 now, and that's not even for electric. It's just picnic table and a fire ring.
It's just a kind of gravel area too.
Yeah,
but
so it's kind of a bummer.
It is. We could do a whole video in this conversation we had the other day where we talked about, because we started doing this almost 8 years ago, and the things we experienced 8 years ago that you can't now.
Yeah, a lot has changed for sure. And we're really happy and fortunate that we were able to experience what we did, when we did, because things are so different now.
And the people starting now are going to be
saying the same
started
thing.
Now, 10 years from now.
Yeah. That's the way it goes. Anyway, we'll see you down the road. We'll either be in Utah, or I don't think we're going to be in Utah long. We'll be maybe out of Utah. I don't know. Just have to figure that out. Carry on.
Carry on. Thanks for watching.
And a very special thank you to our patrons for supporting our channel. Join us over on Patreon for extra videos and more content. Check out our website or Amazon for our pistol book. Carry on.
Carry on.